We're going to show how to install and get started with Fluke DPCTrack 2 software. I've already installed the CD with auto run, and I have the installation and menu available on the screen. I will initiate the installation by clicking on Install DPCTrack 2 software. Installation continues. It's preparing to install. DPCTrack 2 software will evaluate and determine if there's adequate room to install the application. So the install shield is prepared and ready. So next to install, I will click Next. Confirm the end user license agreement by accepting. Then select Next. Confirm the information in the README file. Note that this is a trial expiration, and it will expire to an load-unload utility after 60 days. Next. Confirms your installation and the user. Update with your actual username. Then select Next. Next, identify the location you want the files to be installed. If you want to install to a different drive other than C drive, select Change and select the drive that you want to install them in. Now it will install to D drive, then select Next. Next, you will be prompted to identify the location to install the data directory of the database. Next, select Standard or customize the application installation. Typical users will select Standard and then select Next. Here you will see the installation information, where the application will be installed, the name and the company name. If you're satisfied with that information, select Install. The status bar will tell you the progress as the installation occurs. Here we are with the installation complete. By selecting Finish, DPCTrack 2 will auto-launch. Select Start Trial to initiate your 60 days with the trial software. Then select Next. Input the name that you would like on your reports.